everybody, it's Gina. I know it's been a minute since anybody's seen a video from me, but tonight I wanted to experiment, and so I am super excited about Heat Transfer Source and their sublimation blanks. They posted them on the website tonight. I don't know if y'all were able to check them out, but definitely go check them out. Love Heat Transfer Source products, so I'm super excited about the sublimation because I recently got a sublimation printer, and it's a game changer. So I got this bright idea that I wanted to try the sublimation on cotton. I wanted a sublimation shirt, but you know you're not supposed to sublimate on cotton. It's not going to last. However, with Heat Transfer Source's glitter, you can sublimate on cotton. All you do is you cut out your glitter vinyl and then you sublimate on top of the glitter. And so that will hold the sublimation print. So I printed my design. It's my birthday month. I'm a Gemini. So I wanted to make myself a shirt, and I didn't want a polyester shirt. However, I didn't check my material and I didn't have enough white glitter. So I contacted Heat Transfer Source to see if I could use a different one. Was told that anything dark probably isn't going to work best, to try any lighter glitters. So we're experimenting tonight, and so I have silver glitter, which I love their glitter. Don't know if you've tried it, haven't tried it. If you haven't tried it, you gotta get it. I was not a fan of glitter when I first started working with vinyl. I was using another brand I will not mention, and it was crap. However, since using Heat Transfer Source's glitter, love glitter. I will work with glitter. So to experiment tonight, I went ahead and I had an extra. I don't like wasting my paper, so when I have a full sheet of sublimation paper and it's not full, I will add in random pictures and designs. And so this is actually a picture for Beauty and the Beast. My mom loves Beauty and the Beast, so I'm okay with using this. And I'm gonna try the silver. I wanted to do something small before doing my big picture, just to make sure it works. So if not, I went on the sale and ordered me some glitter. So I'll get me some white glitter, but tonight we're going to try the silver. If it works, doing my shirt in silver. So come along with me. So I recently purchased some cotton masks for my mom, and so we're going to sublimate right on that. And so what we're going to do first is add our item into my heat press, and I'm going to pre-press it just to make sure it's super flat, no wrinkles and whatnot. And you only got to do that a couple of seconds. And so I'm going to pop that right back open. Got all my wrinkles out. And what you're going to do first is apply your glitter. I am heat pressing at 385 degrees. And I sublimate press for 60 seconds. This is going to be a trial because I have not done the glitter with any sublimation paper. So we're going to see how that works. Hopefully it goes well. Heat Transfer Source has these lovely cooling blocks, and it just helps if you're impatient like me and trying to get stuff moving quickly. You go ahead and apply it and cool down your glitter. Heat Transfer Source has a lot of material that is cold peel, so you want to make sure that you're not popping that top of that heat press and immediately going in. You want to give it time to cool. And so now we're going to apply our transfer. And then I am going to apply a little bit of tape just to make sure it doesn't move or shift. And then this sublimation paper does not need butcher paper to press. So I'm just going to go ahead and close everything. Again, doing it at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Well, we're not going to hear it beep because I popped it early. And then we're going to take our heat transfer off. And so, I don't know if you would call this a win or a bust. It's very hard to see the picture. So, I'm going to call that a bust. Very glittery, very pretty, but definitely highly recommend using the white glitter because clearly that's a no-go. So it looks like I'm going to have to hold on to my shirt until I get some white glitter.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.